Hi students, good morning. How are you? Fine? Writing notes? Okay? Now continuation of colligative properties. Yesterday I finished osmotic pressure and van 't Hoff factor. So osmotic pressure symbol pi, van 't Hoff factor I. So van 't Hoff factor I equal to experimental value of colligative property by calculated value of colligative property, or observed osmotic pressure by calculated osmotic pressure. Yesterday I given very important concept, degree of dissociation, degree of association. Degree of dissociation alpha equal to I minus 1 by n minus 1. Degree of association alpha equal to I minus 1 by n minus 1. Here I means van 't Hoff factor, alpha means degree of dissociation or association, n means number of particles, NaCl, n value 2, aluminum chloride, n value 4, aluminum sulfate, n value 5. So these are completed. Next last point, for a given electrolyte, dilution increases. For a given electrolyte, dilution increases. Concentration decreases, van 't Hoff factor increases, and degree of dissociation also increases. That is another point. Once again, for a given electrolyte, as dilution increases, concentration decreases, van 't Hoff factor increases, and degree of dissociation also increases. That is one of the important point. For a given electrolyte, as dilution increases, concentration decreases, degree of dissociation increases, and van 't Hoff factor also increases. For a given electrolyte, as dilution increases, concentration decreases. We know concentration is inversely proportional to dilution. Solution dilution increases, concentration decreases. But van 't Hoff factor increases and degree of dissociation also increases. It is one of the important point in so van 't Hoff factor with respect to dilution of the solution. Anyway, so these are in colligative properties, 4 colligative properties: RLVP, relative lowering of vapor pressure, elevation of boiling point, depression freezing point. Last one is osmotic pressure and van 't Hoff factor. So these are in this lesson concept. Now after the concept, I will start numericals, very important numericals. Maybe 3 or 4 days I will finish the problems also. Okay. Now I will give yesterday what I explained. That I will give simply. Osmotic pressure, simple formula. Osmotic pressure pi equal to simple formula CRT, or pi equal to CST. Generally C means concentration, C equal to concentration, or C is nothing but molarity, M, that means molarity or concentration. Anyone correct? Simply pi equal to MST. Another formula, pi V equal to nRT. One formula, one model, all are same. Pi V equal to nRT, or pi equal to, another one is pi v equal to n. How can you calculate number of moles? Given weight by gram molecular weight. Given weight by gram molecular weight. A means given weight, m means gram molecular weight. So A means given weight, A means given weight, m means gram molecular weight, gram molecular weight. That means A by m st or RT. Simply pi equal to A RT or A ST in okay. A RT by mv. So 1 by v equal to c. 1 by v equal to c. Simply next row. Pi equal to ART by MC. That means m equal to ART by so ARTC by pi. Another formula. Here A means weight of solute, R means ideal gas constant. Instead of R we are taking S, solution constant. Solution constant S is the value of solution constant equal to ideal gas constant R. Okay, these are a simple formula. So these are osmotic pressure simple formula, pi equal to CRT or pi equal to CST. Okay, and another one is yesterday given, if mixing of two solutions having same substances or same solute, the resultant solution molarity can be calculated. The resultant solution osmotic pressure can be calculated formula, simple formula. Pi r equal to pi 1 v1 plus pi 2 v2 by v1 plus v2. So that is if mixing of two solutions having same solute at different osmotic pressure, the resultant solution osmotic pressure can be calculated by pi r equal to pi 1 v1 plus pi 2 v2 by v1 plus v2. Here pi r equal to osmotic pressure or resultant solution, case 1 and case 2. These are case 1. So these are case 2. Here case 2 means if mixing of two solutions having different solutes, N1 into number of moles V1 and V2 volume respectively, the resultant solution osmotic pressure can be calculated by pi equal to N1 I1 plus N2 I2 by N1 I1 V1 plus V2 into ST. So S means solution constant. Instead of S we are using R. Okay, it is another formula. Okay, so these are another formula. First case, if mixing of two solutions having same substances, same solute, the resultant solution molarity can be calculated by this formula. And second case, if mixing of two solutions having different substances or solutes and N1 and 2 number of moles, I1 and I2 want of factor of first solute and second solute. So for the final solution, resultant solution osmotic pressure pi equal to N1 I1 plus N2 I2 by V1 plus V2. So that is S2. Okay. And isotonic solutions having same osmotic pressure is known as isotonic solution. In isotonic solution, no, concentration same, C1 equal to C2. And another one is degree of dissociation, degree of association, degree of dissociation alpha equal to I minus 1 by N minus 1. If solute undergoes dissociation, finally degree of dissociation alpha equal to I minus 1 by N minus 1. Next degree of association alpha equal to I minus 1 by N minus 1, or another formula alpha equal to 1 minus I by 1 minus 1 by N. Here first in the above first and second formulas, alpha means first formula alpha degree of dissociation, second formula alpha degree of association. In the two cases, I means want of factor n equal to number of particles. These are different types of useful relations. Suppose if I greater than to 1, the solute undergoes dissociation. If I is less than to 1, the solute undergoes association. So I value equal if the solute neither association nor dissociation. Anyway, so these are different types of relations. And the last one is yesterday explained. So want of factor related with colligative properties. Want of factor related with colligative properties. Want of factor related with colligative properties. Colligative properties. Want of factor related with colligative properties. How many colligative properties? 4. RLVP, relative lowering of vapor pressure, elevation of boiling point. Third one is depression and freezing point. Last one is osmotic pressure. In this case, RLVP we know. RLVP equal to RLVP P naught minus P by P naught minus PS by P naught. RLVP equal to simply so I into XS. Here XS means mole fraction of solute. These are first formula. And elevation of boiling point. Delta TB equal to I into KB into M. I means want of factor. KB means ebullioscopic constant. M means molality of the solution. Depression freezing point delta TF equal to I into KF into M. Last one is osmotic pressure, simply pi equal to ICRT. Instead of R we are using S, solution constant. Anyone? Okay. So these are want of factor related with colligative properties. First one is RLVP equal to I into XS. Here XS means mole fraction of solute. XS means mole fraction of solute. And the second one is delta TB, elevation of boiling point. Delta TB equal to I into KB into M. Here I means want of factor, KB means ebullioscopic constant, M means molality of the solution. Third one is depression freezing point. Delta TF equal to I into KF into M. Here I means want of factor, KF means cryoscopic constant or molar depression freezing point constant. M equal to molality of the solution. And another is pi equal to ICRT. C means concentration nothing but molarity. R means ideal gas constant. Instead of R we can use S, solution constant. Generally solution constant is equal to ideal gas constant. T means temperature in Kelvin. So these are different types of colligative properties related with want of factor. Okay, dear students, these are colligative property lesson successfully completed, and numericals problems also is there. I thought in numericals and problems on numericals some formulas for IIT mains level. I will give some model problems. Nearly 4 or 5 periods required. Now, can I start problems, students? Can I start? Okay, write down the problems. Okay, first to finish the formulas. Write down all of you. How is this lesson? Okay, na? So these are successfully solutions and the solutions colligative properties all are completed. Okay, so these are in solution topics in physical chemistry. First topic very important, very important. In IP weightage one 4 mark question, one 2 mark questions. One 4 mark IP weightage 6 marks, one 4 marks, one 2 mark question. For objective purpose IIT mains, advanced and NEET, so many exams for these are very important topics. So much subject is there, basic points like that. Okay, Nama? So I will start the problems. Now I will give problems in osmotic pressure. Okay, write down. Okay, write down. So numericals on osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure problems. Okay, write down first problem. The osmotic pressure of a solution the osmotic pressure of a solution the osmotic pressure of a solution at 300 Kelvin is depends on problem, question, formulas will changes. The osmotic pressure of a solution at 300 Kelvin is 0.821 atmosphere. Its concentration will be don't forget, we know last year in first year ideal gas constant R value later atmosphere 0.0821 later atmosphere Kelvin inverse mole inverse, don't forget their value fixed, they won't give. Here which formula required? Osmotic pressure given. Here pi equal to 0.821 given atmosphere. Temperature given 300 Kelvin. They ask for concentration. Which formula required? Pi given, temperature given, osmotic pressure given, temperature given, C given. Formula simple है pi equal to CRT. Simple formula. So depends on problem, formula will changes. This formula required, no need of IV equal to nRT. In this case which formula required? Pi equal to CRT, not a 5V equal to nRT. Okay, in this case we want to see concentration. C equal to pi by RT. Pi value given how much? 0.821. 0.821 by R value 0.0821 into 300. Simple formula. In this case, simple. Generally, shortcut. 300 into 0.0821 equal to 24.6. Shortcut. 300 into 0.0821 equal to 24.6. 24.6. Shortcut formula. Okay, simple. 300 into 0.0821 equal to 24.6. Next same. 273 into 0.0821 equal to 22.4. 22.4. So remembering this. Okay. 300 into 0.0821 equal to 0.0821 24.6. 200 into, these are Kelvin, consider. Sometimes they will give 27 degrees centigrade room temperature. Sometimes they will give 0 degrees centigrade. 0 degrees centigrade means this value, multiplication, shortcut formula. Shortcut. No need, no time waste. Simple shortcut formula. Calculation. Okay, in this, now 0.0821 by 24.6. 24.6 means I am taking 8.21, 2 points. 8.21 by 2460. 2460 means simply 0.0. 8.21 by 24.6. Once calculate how much answer will come. Once see. 8.21 by 0.0821 by 24.6. 24.6. Zero point 0033 like that. So these are answer. 0.1. I will verify. 0.033. Here problem, the osmotic pressure is 0.821 by concentration. 0.821 by 0.0821 into 300. 0.0821 once verify. Answer once verify. 0.0821. 0.0821 into 300 equal to 0.0821 into 300, 24.6. Zero point 821 multiplication amount 0.821 by 24.6. 24.6. 0.033. 0.8 to 24. 0.033. Correct. 0.033. Students, 0.033 answer. Calculation. Simple. I am taking two digits. 8.21 by 2460. 8.21. These are 24.6. Simply 8.21 by 8.21 by 1.2. That means 246. 246. Nearly 0.00. Okay. Anyway, 0.033 like that. 0.033 answer. So concentration. So therefore concentration equal to 0.033 calculation. Very calculation I mean. 0.821, sorry. 0.821 by 24.6. Pi equal to CRT. C equal to pi by RT. Pi value given 0.821 given. R value. They are simplification of 24.6. 0. Here I converted 8.21 246. Actually their value 24.6. 1 point shifted to 246 means 8.21. To 8.21 by 246 0.033. That is answer. Write down. Main calculation. Next one is, so concentration is compulsory. These are concentration. Already 0.033 means units molarity. Write down C equal to 0.033 m. Next problem. Very important problem. Calculate the osmotic. Calculate the osmotic pressure of A. B decimolar, decinormal, decinormal. Solution of decinormal solution of NaCl with is ionized to with is ionized to 80%, 80% at 27 degrees centigrade, at 27 degrees centigrade. Here I am giving options: first option, second option, third option, fourth option. I am giving options: first option 4.43 atmosphere, second option 0.443 atmosphere, third option 0.222 atmosphere, fourth option 0.111 atmosphere. Here which option correct? Come see. Dear students, one see. Calculate the osmotic pressure of a decinormal solution of NaCl which is ionized, sorry. Which is ionized to 80%, 27 degrees centigrade. Here, osmotic pressure is related with want of factor. Osmotic pressure related to very important problem. Students, listen, very important problem. In this case, decinormal NaCl produces one sodium ion, one chloride ion. NaCl molarity normality equal. Sodium chloride molarity normality equal. Deci means how much? Semi means 0.5. Deci means 0.1. Deci equal to 0.1 normal. NaCl normality molarity equal. Sodium chloride normality molarity equal. Instead of normal I am taking molarity 0.1 normal. Sodium, observe. Listen all of you. Sodium chloride molarity normality equal. Deci means 0.1. So here which type of formula required means here pi equal to ICRT, this formula required. Pi equal to ICRT. How can calculate I value? Don't take direct NaCl means I value too, no need. Here already degree of dissociation, ionized means dissociation. Here alpha value given. Here alpha value how much? 80% given. 80% means 0.8. Substitute the value. By using alpha we can calculate I value. Alpha equal to I minus 1 by n minus 1. Alpha means 0.8 equal to I minus 1 by n means sodium chloride produces how many particles? 2 particles. That means 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means 1. 1 into 0.8, 0.8. Next step. Now I am writing here. 0.8 equal to I minus 1 by 2 minus 1. 0.8 equal to I minus 1. I equal to 1 plus 0.8. That means 1.8. I value how much? 1.8. This I value is substituted in this formula. Write down. After here I value completed. Which formula required? Pi equal to ICRT. Okay? I value 1.8. After that, pi equal to ICRT. I value how much? 1.8 into concentration of 0.1, R value 0.0821 into temperature 27 means 300. Already before I given 0.0821 into 300 how much? 24.6. So 1.8 into 0.1 into 24.6. So 24.6 into 0.1, 2.46. 1.8 into 2.46. 1.8 into 2.46 means, now I calculated 1.8. Nearly 4.428. 4.428 atmosphere. 4.428 means which option correct? 4.48 is nothing but 4.43. 4.48 is nothing but 4.43. Which option correct? So first option correct. Students, understand point? Problem. Can I revise? Okay. Once again, I will explain. Once write down first problem. Once again. In this case problem, which formula required? Which formula required? Pi equal to ICRT. How can calculate I? R alpha given. Alpha 80% given. 80% is 0.8. Alpha equal to I minus 1 by n minus 1. 0.8 equal to I value. We don't know. I minus 1 by n number of particles. Sodium chloride produces 2 particles. 2 minus 1. Next one is 0.8 equal to I minus 1. I equal to 1 plus 0.8. That means 1.8. After that one see. Pi equal to 1.8 into C constant decimal 0.1 R value 0.0821 into 27 degrees centigrade means 300 Kelvin. That means 1.8 into 0.1 into shortcut 0.0821 into 300 how much? 24.6. 24.6 into 0.1 1.8 into 2.46 calculated 4.2. So 4.43 nearly will come. 4.43 will come. Actually 4.48. Okay, 4.43. So 4.43 atmosphere. So these are osmotic pressure of pi. Osmotic pressure of pi equal to these are value. Okay, students, next one is problem number next one. What is the volume of a solution? What is the volume of a solution containing? What is the volume of a solution containing 2 gram mole of 2 gram mole of sugar sugar that will give rise to an osmotic pressure an osmotic pressure 1 atmosphere STP. Here options 4.48 liters, second 0.448 liters, and the third one is 44.8 liters, fourth one is 448 liters. Here options. In this case, what is the volume of a solution containing 2 gram mole of sugar that will give rise to an osmotic pressure 1 atmosphere pressure STP. Generally, here asked rise to sugar that will give rise to the volume of the solution containing 2 grams of solute sugar that will give rise to an osmotic pressure 1 atmosphere STP is they asked. Generally formula simply, in this case volume required pi v equal to nRT or pi v equal to nST, both are equal, so nST or nRT. Okay, they asked volume given, volume asked. Generally your volume V equal to nRT by pi. Your number of moles, how many moles? 2 gram mole. 2 gram mole of sugar that will give rise to an osmotic pressure 1 atmosphere. That means 2 gram mole given. That means 2 into R value 0.0821 into STP means temperature. STP means temperature how much? STP means temperature 0 degree centigrade, then 273 Kelvin by osmotic pressure 1. That means 2 into, we know 0.0821 into 273 how much? 22.4. That means 22.4. That means 44.8 liters. Which option correct? So third option will correct. Once again, which formula required? Pi v equal to nST or pi v equal to nRT. S value equal to R. Okay, here we want volume. Volume V equal to nRT by pi. N means 2 gram mole given. Number of moles given. 2 into R value 0.0821 into at STP how much temperature? STP means standard temperature pressure. How much temperature? 0 degree centigrade. 0 degree centigrade means how much Kelvin? 273. So 273 STP means 273 Kelvin. 0 degree centigrade by osmotic pressure how much given? 1. Okay. That means 2 into 22.4, 0.0821, 273, 22.4. 2 into 22.4, 48.8 liters. That problem. Okay? Write down. Next one. Next one. Okay, students, next write down next problem. Very important. Problem number 4. So, problem number 4. What is the degree of dissociation for calcium nitrate solution? If Wanta factor is 2.4. Quanta factor is 2.4. In this case, what is the degree of dissociation for calcium nitrate solution if Quanta factor is 2.4? I given I value 2.4. They asked degree of dissociation. Question mark. Simply, alpha equal to I minus 1 by n minus 1. You know. They asked alpha value. Here, alpha equal to calcium nitrate produces how many ions? Actually, calcium nitrate produces calcium ions, nitrate ions, 2 NO3 minus. Total how many ions? Total 3 ions. That means, so I value given 2.4 minus 1 by n, 3 minus 1. That means 2.4 minus 1 means 1.4 by 2. That means 0.7. Therefore, alpha equal to 0.7 or 70%. Anyway, so that alpha value 0.7. Understand? Once again, I value given very easy, important. 2.4, very easy. I value given 2.4. By using I value, alpha, degree of dissociation, alpha equal. We know dissociation formula. Alpha equal to dissociation, yesterday given dissociation and association. Degree of dissociation formula alpha equal to I minus 1 by n minus 1. Association alpha equal to I minus 1 by n minus 1. Anyway, degree of dissociation alpha equal to I minus 1 by n minus 1. Our I value given 2.4 minus 1 by. Calcium nitrate produces how many ions? Total number of ions 3. That means 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 means 2. 1.4 by 2 means 0.7. So anyway, alpha equal to 0.7 or 70%. So these are degree of dissociation. Okay, students. Very easy these problems. Remaining problems, next class I will explain. Okay. Don't waste the time. Compulsory. What I am explaining, formulas and concept, revise. They are very important. Okay. So lesson completed, but numerical some concept problems is there. So after that I will give. Now today enough. Remaining class tomorrow I will explain some numericals. If possible, at home already you having so many books. If possible, once or try some numericals. Anyone doubt, immediately contact with me. Okay? Don't worry. All problems very easy. Okay? Very easy. Some problems are difficult. If anyone doubt, immediately contact with me. Okay? So thank you for all.